Hey everyone, I just wanted to drop by to say, I don't know if y'all have noticed, I have not been uploading videos to my TikTok lately. I just decided that getting all dolled up and making kind of bitchy videos isn't really what I'm wanting to do. The intent of my TikTok account was to bring more viewers to my podcast. I noticed that it's not really doing that. So I'll still be here. I'll still be on the TikTok or other platforms, and I will still be making videos. I'm just not going to do the rage baiting stuff anymore because I just don't feel like it, and it wasn't helping me reach my goals. So hopefully I'll keep all of my followers on whatever platform you're listening to this on. But yeah, most of the clips will be from my actual podcast. Hopefully we'll have some funny and interesting stuff to come. But I'm just not going to be continuing to post like I was before. So honestly, we've got a lot of mean people out there, and I don't need to be one of them. I mean, that's not to say that like tomorrow I'm not going to get pissed off about something and decide I want to talk about it. I probably will still make videos where I am, my bird says hey, where I am complaining about things from time to time to gather opinions, but that's not going to be my goal, and it's just going to be straight from the heart. It's not going to be a video where I've purposely looked at memes to get myself pissed and then get all snotty about it. So anyways, Minnow, do you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to everybody. Good bird.